Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Up high, above the city's hum and thrum, where the air is thin, and the view's a sight, we climb the scaffolds, reach for the sun and work on towers that kiss the clouds in flight. The banker's lair, the CEO's throne where power's wielded, and deals are done. We toil and sweat, our tools in hand, as we build the homes of the modern land, the city below, a bustling hive. As we watch from above, our dreams alive, for we're the builders, the men of might, who bring to life these towers of light. When the day is done, and the sun sets low, we descend to the ground, with a sense of glow, for we've made our mark on the world up high, left our legacy in the home nearby. 10 brief description of each type of scaffolding. 1. Frame scaffolding. This type of scaffolding consists of a series of interconnected frames that can be stacked to reach the desired height. It is commonly used for both indoor and outdoor projects. 2. Tube and coupler scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is made up of steel tubes and clamps that are used to connect the tubes together. It is versatile and can be assembled in various configurations to suit different project needs. 3. System scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is prefabricated and consists of modular components that can be assembled quickly and easily. It is often used for larger projects and can be customized to fit specific requirements. 4. Mobile scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is designed to be easily movable and is often used for maintenance and repair work. It typically features wheels or casters for easy maneuverability. 5. Cantilever scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is attached to a structure and extends outwards to provide access to work areas that would otherwise be difficult to reach. It is commonly used in bridge construction and maintenance projects. 6. Suspended scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is suspended from the roof or other elevated structure and is often used for building maintenance and repair work. It typically features a platform that can be raised or lowered to access different areas. 7. Single pole scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is supported by a single vertical pole and is commonly used for smaller projects such as painting or plastering. 8. Double pole scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is supported by 2 vertical poles and is similar to single pole scaffolding, but can support more weight and is suitable for larger projects. 9. Trestle scaffolding. This type of scaffolding consists of a series of trestles, supports, and planks that are used to create a working platform. It is commonly used for painting, plastering, and other small projects. 10. Rolling scaffolding. This type of scaffolding is mounted on wheels or casters and is designed to be easily moved from one location to another. It is often used for indoor projects such as painting or maintenance work. 10 skill crafts that are employed in the making, putting together, and working on scaffolding. 1. Welding is a skill craft used to join metal components of the scaffolding together. 2. Carpentry is a skill craft used to create wooden components of the scaffolding, such as the planks that make up the working platform. 3. Metalworking is a skill craft used to shape and cut metal components of the scaffolding, such as the tubes and couplers. 4. Painting is a skill craft used to apply protective coatings to the scaffolding to prevent rust and other forms of damage. 5. Masonry is a skill craft used to create the supports and structures that the scaffolding is attached to. 6. Rigging is a skill craft used to set up and take down suspended scaffolding, as well as to safely move heavy components of the scaffolding. 7. Electrical skills are often required to install and maintain lighting and other electrical components on scaffolding. 8. Plumbing skills may be required to install and maintain water supply and drainage systems on scaffolding. 9. Mechanical skills are often required to install and maintain complex systems, such as elevators or hoists, that are incorporated into some types of scaffolding. 10. Safety skills are critical in working with scaffolding, as it involves working at height and often in challenging environments. Scaffolding professionals need to be trained in safety procedures and be able to identify and mitigate potential hazards. OSHA stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which is a federal agency in the United States Department of Labor. Its primary mission is to ensure safe and healthy working conditions for employees by setting and enforcing standards and providing training, outreach, education, and assistance. OSHA is necessary because it helps to protect workers from workplace hazards such as falls, electrocution, and exposure to hazardous chemicals. Without OSHA, employers might cut corners on safety measures in order to save time and money, putting their workers at risk. OSHA sets and enforces safety standards that employers must follow, and it provides education and training to ensure that workers are aware of their rights and responsibilities. In addition to setting and enforcing safety standards, OSHA also investigates workplace accidents and enforces penalties when necessary. This helps to hold employers accountable for providing safe working conditions and serves as a deterrent against future safety violations. Overall, OSHA plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and health of workers in the United States, and its work is essential for preventing workplace accidents and injuries. In conclusion, the workers who toil on scaffolds are a testament to the human spirit. They face danger and adversity on a daily basis, yet they show up to work with a blue-collar heart and a fierce determination to get the job done. Their courage and dedication are an inspiration to us all, and we should never forget the sacrifices they make to build a better future. Motivation at Hand reminds us that these workers are more than just names on a job site. They are real people with real stories, and their hard work deserves recognition and respect. Let us honor their sacrifices and celebrate their accomplishments, for they are the backbone of the construction industry and the builders of our modern world. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.